biscuit. One on each side. They kind of look like eyeballs, don't they?
It's gonna creep me out. You're staring at me.
They're looking at you.
Look at that. Perfect amount.
Easiest pizza recipe is so quick and easy. Mozzarella cheese.
Right.
Do you know if Mozart and Cinderella had a baby, it would be called mozzarella?
That's a good one.
Put some cheese on there. And the last step is my favorite because that is the most important step, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys would do differently with this recipe. I love me some cheese. My mouth is already getting water. This is perfect for like a quick little appetizer or a snack to hold your kids over, or for yourself as well. Or if you want to bring something to like a friend's house, a little, what do they call those like shindigs where they bring food? Potluck.
Potluck, yeah.
Yeah, it's so easy to make. Right after you do that, you're gonna close them up into little clams. We're gonna close it. Close it. Just like that. So you wanna make them look like clams. And you close it.
There you go. All right.
Last step is you're going to need a sharp knife, so make sure that an adult is doing this. You're gonna cut it. You can cut it in halves, or you can cut it into little 4 squares. I think I just want to do, let me do squares. We're gonna do the halves first.
So you gotta make a bite-sized pizza bucket.
Exactly. And I know what you're thinking. Where the heck is the seasoning? They look like little sandwiches. These look so bland. I don't want to eat it. Trust me, at the end, you're gonna see what I do and why we're not putting the seasoning in the beginning. Kyle is already like, why do they look so bland and boring?
I was waiting for the seasoning. I know this is coming.
Yep, you guys just wait. It's super easy. It's probably easier than like sticking a frozen pizza in the oven too. And then you're just gonna put it in the oven for the amount that the Grand's can tells you to leave it in there. So sometimes it's anywhere from 12 to 14 minutes, but every oven is different, so yours might be faster or yours might need a little bit more time. You know where you can also put these in? Probably an air fryer. So if you don't want to do it in the oven and you prefer to do it on the air fryer, go ahead and try this on the air fryer, guys.
These are like little pizza pockets.
Little pizza pockets. But not everyone likes like frozen food. Like when I was a kid, my mom wouldn't let me eat frozen food. So if you don't want to eat frozen food, this is a quick and easy way to like just make some little pizza pockets.
What about ice cream? Ice cream?
Ice cream counts as frozen food.
So you put in ice cream?
Ice cream is a dessert, it's different.
Okay.
I'm saying like pizza rolls, like those kind of things. She wouldn't let me eat.
Oh my, that's horrible.
Alright guys, our pizza bites are ready to go in the oven. So make sure you look at your biscuit can, check for time and temperature. If you feel like it's cooking a little bit too fast and everything's melted, go ahead and take it out. But that's it, you're all done. Alright guys, I have my oven mitts because I wanted to show you guys what these look like straight out of the oven. Now that these cool off, the cheese kind of gets like hard and gross. So I wanted to show you guys how delicious these look. Look at that!
Good.
Alright, our next step, I know what you're thinking, they look still kind of boring. So I got these herbs from France.
Okay.
I have melted butter here. I'm gonna pour some of that on top. You can use any herb you like. You can use Italian seasoning, oregano, whatever you like. Make sure you get some melted butter.
Nice.
You're gonna mix that in together. And once you mix that in, you're just gonna rub it on top of these beautiful biscuits. All right, and you're gonna bathe your pizza bites in the butter. You can also do this if you want, grab a bowl and you can throw these in a bowl and just pour the butter with the herbs on top of your pizza bites and just toss them. And maybe you can even add in some Parmesan cheese in there, but I'm actually gonna put my Parmesan cheese on top of this. Ooh, my mouth is watering. Isn't yours just watching this?
It is. It
Look at
smells so
that.
good.
We're gonna get some Parmesan cheese. Okay. Parmesan cheese, and you're gonna sprinkle some of that on top. Because they're not pizza bites if you don't have Parmesan cheese. I think that's good, right?
That looks great.
Okay. My favorite part, we're gonna try to taste it now. So I have some ragu pizza sauce here. You don't have to use this one. I have it in here. My stomach is actually rumbling right now, so I'm really excited to dig in.
So you just like dip them.
Dip it.
It's like a little mini pizza.
Mmm. By far my favorite pizza snack that I've made. It's really delicious. The dough is very soft and pillowy. You can really taste the cheese and
That's the grands right here. Look at that.
I
Who would have
think
thought?
20 out of 10. You guys have to try this.
Who doesn't love pizza?
Super easy and delicious. We'll send in like 10 minutes. Mwah. I love it. So good.